People always ask me and people always wonder, how much money do you make on YouTube? So in this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk you through not just what YouTube itself pays me, but also how I make a lot of money by leveraging YouTube to get more people in my Get Clients Set program and in my 100K mastermind. We notice how to. Cool, so I'm here on my dashboard. You can see as of the date of this filming, we have 9,200 subscribers exactly. We should be hitting 10,000 pretty soon, which I'm super excited about. I'm gonna go over here to my analytics and I'm gonna go over here to my revenue and I'm going to sort by lifetime, and then you'll be able to see when we started doing YouTube videos consistently, like when we got monetized. Because you're not monetized all the time. So we got monetized December 15th, it looks like, right on December 15th, 2021. We started publishing videos in September, on a consistent basis, September of 2021. And we didn't have enough people, we didn't have enough, I think, watch time it was to get monetized. So it took us a while to get monetized. And then you can see here, we were able to get monetized. I think our first day we made $5. Then we made $53. Then we made $26. So it's like really big spikes. You can kind of see it. So over the since December, so it's like 6-7-ish months, we have made $5,324.85. Now our revenue so basically it's revenue per 1,000 views. So we get about $20, give or take, every 1,000 views that we publish. And then this is actually really high. So playback CPM basically means how much do advertisers pay you per 1,000 monetized clickbacks. I'd read, I don't know if this is true or not, but I had read that the average is like $10. And so ours is a lot higher. But the reason why, if you think about it logically, the reason why is because of what we're talking about, the kind of content we're making on our channel. Now, I think it's important that you keep in mind, we pay several $100s per video produced on the YouTube channel. It's important that you see this and really consider, okay, it's not just like there's costs involved to make the videos that we make. And that doesn't even include like my time and my labor, but in terms of like the cost of labor and operations to get YouTube videos out, it costs us several $100s per YouTube video. And so for us to have only made $5,000, it would seem like this wasn't profitable. But I want to talk to you about this because one of the mistakes newer entrepreneurs make is, I think, very short term. So I want to talk about a little bit about our like long-term vision for this and how eventually we're going to become profitable. We're already profitable, which I'll talk about, but how we're going to be even more profitable just from YouTube itself. So you can see here in December, we made $659, January, $838, February, $754, March, I think was our highest month ever, which was almost 1,000. And then April, $822. May was again, almost 1,000. June is ongoing. I think we'll probably end around the 800 mark for June. Maybe even the 750 for June. And the reason for that is we've dropped down to 2 videos per week. If I go back, we can see our top performing videos. Highest performing video is how to make your first Instagram reel. Looks like that video made me $300. How to get clients from Facebook groups that don't allow promo. That one made me almost $200. You can see here, just keeps going down. What is very interesting to note is that in general, the videos that do the best are talking about clients. There's a couple anomalies. It's like, a couple on Facebook, a couple, but in general, when I talk about how to get more clients, we tend to make more money from it. So how to get clients from Facebook groups. That one's pretty high. It's the second highest earning one. How to make more sales as an introverted entrepreneur. How to find your target audience. How we made over $1 million. How to write a good I help statement. How do I use Instagram DMs to get clients? How to make 6 figures in your coaching business. These things tend to do really, really well because advertisers pay more to show ads to these kind of videos. So I pay more per video than even the highest paid video. And here's what I want to talk about. So I think that's everything dashboard wise. Super happy to share anything else, but I think that's pretty much everything dashboard wise. That's how much I've made from YouTube itself. But this part 2 is more important because this is the nurturing process. This is actually why I'm making YouTube videos. The $5,000 over a 6-month period. You have to remember, from my perspective, it's not a lot. Because I'm paying way more than that to get the videos done, and I have pretty damn good other income, right? As a 7-figure earner. What's really, really important, and the reason why I'm investing so much in my YouTube channel, is the nurturing process. YouTube videos are really, really good at building trust with my audience. You get to see me on a regular basis. I provide a lot of very helpful, valuable content, and we have a relationship, right? We build a relationship. Not only that, but it's an investment in evergreen content. So what I mean by that is when you make a post on Instagram, in 24 hours, it goes away, right? It's out of people's feeds. When you make a post on Facebook, 24 hours later, it's out of people's feeds. I want to make content that is an investment in the long term. So YouTube is like very short term, like in the like it's a lot of work, and in the short term, there's not a ton of ROI. There's not a ton of return on investment. But after, I noticed that like on average, it's probably going to take a little over a year, maybe even closer to 2 years, for each one of those YouTube videos to become profitable, in the sense that like what I pay for that YouTube video to get published, I have made back from that video. And so for example, most of my Get Clients Now students watch my YouTube videos before they become clients. A lot of people who join my 100K mastermind, they watch some of my YouTube videos before they become clients. So even though we have a small amount of subscribers now, and our costs to make these videos are quite high, their quality is just out of this world. Like it's just insane. It's a high quality, high value content videos. So we're converting, even though there's a little bit of subscribers, we're converting a lot of them. And so we know that my business is going to dramatically increase and my business will dramatically grow once I start to see a ton of views. Once we start to get a huge audience, it's going to be extremely monetized. But this is the investor mindset. And I talk about this a lot in my 100K mastermind. You need to stop making decisions for the short term, because you're making decisions for instant gratification and short-term pleasure, and that's delaying what you actually want. So what I'm doing is I'm having an investor mindset, and I'm saying, okay, right now, YouTube is an expense for me. YouTube is a cost for me. It costs me money to give you these videos for free. But I'm investing in that because A, we're building a relationship, we're building trust. I'm genuinely helping a ton of people, which feels really good. But then B, I know that a certain percentage of them are going to join my Get Clients Now program and learn how to get clients on a regular basis. They're going to join my 100K mastermind and learn how I can help you scale to 7 figures. And so we know our business is going to grow dramatically. But, and this is the thing I want to leave you with, the key word here is patience. Patience, patience, patience. You have to be patient as an entrepreneur if you're going to make it long-term. I've been doing this for 9 years, and a great example. My business is now at the point where we have high months and we never drop below $100,000 in cash collected every single month for over 24 months. So the way I build things, I use this phrase called slow to build, slow to break. And so that philosophy, slow to build, is also why my YouTube channel, once it's like gets going, it's going to be really, really strong. It's going to be very, very hard to break it. So it's going to be well worth it over the next 5 years, 10 years, et cetera, et cetera. So the thing that I want you to see from this isn't, oh my gosh, YouTube pays Maria a ton of money, or YouTube pays Maria some money. That's the wrong question. The question is, how is Maria strategically using YouTube to grow and scale her business? If you think that way and you start asking questions like that, you're going to be on the right track to do really well in your own business.